designed in this lockdown period, we can put our jewellery in order. Silver jewellery that has tarnished with time because silver oxidizes can be easily cleaned at home. Make a solution of soap and water. Just a mild one will do. Stir it and dip your tarnished silver jewellery in it. Just a little rinsing to clean it off and wipe it. Now we are going to make a solution of hot water and baking soda. For this we need foil paper to line our bowl. This is an important part. Foil paper is a must. It's part of the chemical reaction to remove the tarnish from the silver. Half a tablespoon of baking powder, baking soda, hot water. I've already kept this boiling hot, so I'm just going to pour it. This process will cause the water to bubble. Take care, do not touch. You can use tongs, and with the help of tongs, place your silver item on the base. It is important that the silver touch the foil paper. The soda has dissolved. I'm stirring it so any particles left can dissolve further. Now, depending on how tarnished your item is, keep it there from 2 to 5 minutes. In another bowl, just take plain water. After the waiting time is over, remove the object, again taking care not to touch. Use your tongs, dip it in the water to just wash it. Take a soft napkin and rub. This rubbing process helps the tarnish oxidized part to come off. And your silver ring can start shining again with this. The longer you keep it in the soda water, the better it's going to shine. And here you can see the way the tarnish has come out.